Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of glitch on the application of Suno. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. We will search for Suno app. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we click on storage. In this page we click on clear cache. In the end we go to Play Store. We will search for the application of Suno AI, and here you will update your app. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.